Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to turn off the pause music while playing media feature on Telegram. If you've ever noticed your music stopping every time you play a video or audio file inside Telegram, this setting is the reason. The good news is, it only takes a few seconds to fix. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, tap on the menu icon in the top corner. This is the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Once you tap it, a side panel will slide open with several options. From there, tap on Settings. This will take you to your Telegram settings, where you can customize how the app behaves. Now, look for Chat Settings and tap on it. This section controls how your chats look and function, including media behavior. Once you're inside Chat Settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Pause Music while playing media. By default, this option is usually turned on, which is why your music stops when you play videos or voice messages. All you need to do is toggle this option off. As soon as you switch it off, Telegram will stop interrupting your music when you play media inside the app. And that's it. You're all set. Now you can listen to your music continuously, even while viewing videos or listening to voice messages on Telegram. This small adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you like multitasking or listening to music in the background while chatting. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick Telegram tips to get the most out of your app experience.